Hello, today we're in Covent Garden and we are at 23 Bedford, which is this building here behind me. And this shop and the courtyard here used to be a Georgian slum, believe it or not, in the heart of Covent Garden. And in this building there were many people crammed in here. It was poverty, there was crime, all sorts of things. It was just a no-go area. And this is where you come through into the house, and this is the entrance here. And we also have a lovely courtyard. This is called Goodwin's Court, and here we have all of the lovely Georgian fronted buildings right in the middle of London. There we have it. This building that we're in dates to, I believe, 1697. And although many of the original features don't exist anymore, there is an original 17th century staircase, which I'm coming up now. And this is really unusual to see something of this age in London. Let's turn that around. So here we have our closed tread staircase. Actually, this looks like it's oak, and that's pine. But that particular one looks like oak, but maybe not. Maybe no, it's pine. Actually, it's pine. So we've got mirror balusters, and yeah, it's amazing to see this. And if you think of the story that this balustrading could tell, yeah, there used to be people crammed in these rooms in the 19th century. There was about 35 people, I think, living in this house, and that pendant is new. But that's all original up there. There have been murders, there have been all sorts of crime. It was a lawless place. And it's quite hard to believe now that we're now right in the heart of Covent Garden. And this was once a no-go area, because it was just so rough. And yeah, so that's just a really nice thing to see, and very unusual. Now, actually going out into the courtyard here, this doesn't have its original door, but this frame here is the original architrave. So it's late 17th century architrave, and I believe also that this is the original door. It's a 3-planked softwood door, Scots pine, very typical of the period. But you can see these big, heavy mouldings of this architrave. So again, this has been here since the late 17th century and can tell many stories. So it's really fascinating.